Story 15 Dancery the Picture. My uncle Tutka Picture. During his trip to Eiger, it was taken on the sidewalk of a big street. In the beach is a boy with the bencher and a notebook. He is walking on his homework. There is now that and now here. He is using a stool and his desk. Around the boy are his father and mother. The father is pointing to the book, trying to help. The mother is smiling and watching them. Lucy beside them is their family. Beneath a bicycle repair stand, it seems that their parents do not have much education, but you can see that they care strongly about their son's school work. There are some people with bicycles, cars, buses, and people are passing by in the picture. But this family is not disturbed by the noise. To the family, the son's studies seem to be the center of the work. I was really touched by this picture. Nhân sinh hết.